Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will learn and understand the following topics. The first topic is how to calculate the total ash generation. The second topic is how to calculate the fly ash generation. The third topic is how to calculate the bottom ash generation. The above topics will be discussed in the upcoming slides. Next, we will learn and understand the how to calculate the total ash generation. The ash generation calculations are typically associated with the combustion of solid fuels, such as coal, biomass, or waste materials, in boilers or furnaces. To calculate the total ash generation, we can use the following formula. The ash generated in kilogram is equals to fuel consumed in kilogram is multiplied by ash content in percent. Next, we will learn the sample example for a better understanding. If you burn 20,000 kilograms of coal in a boiler, and the coal has an ash content of 20%, by weight, we can determine the amount of ash generated using the above formula. Next, the given data. The fuel consumed, 20,000 kilograms. The ash content, 20%. Apply the given data. Ash generated in kilogram is equals to 20,000 into 20 divided by 100. Therefore, the total ash generated is 4,000 kilograms. Next, we will learn and understand the how to calculate the fly ash generation. To calculate the generation of fly ash, you generally need to know two key factors: the amount of coal burned and the ash content in the coal. Fly ash is the fine particulate residue that rises with flue gases during coal combustion, primarily in thermal power plants. To calculate the fly ash generation, we can use the following formula. Fly ash generated in tons is equals to coal consumed in tons, into ash content in percent, into fly ash fraction. Where, next, the coal consumed refers to the total amount of coal burned, in tons. Next, the ash content is the percentage of ash present in the coal. It is typically 25 to 45% for Indian coal. Next, the fly ash fraction indicates the proportion of ash that becomes fly ash. It is typically 80 to 90%, the rest becomes bottom ash. For example, calculation. The coal burned, 2000 tons. The ash content, 35%. The fly ash fraction, 85%. Apply the given data, to get the fly ash generation in tons. 2000 into 35 into 85 and then the obtained value is divided by 100 into 100. Therefore, the fly ash generation is 595 tons. Next, we will learn and understand the how to calculate the bottom ash generation. To calculate the bottom ash generation, we can use the following formula. Bottom ash in tons is equals to total ash content in tons is multiplied by the bottom ash fraction. Or, bottom ash in tons is equals to the fuel consumed in ton into ash content in percent into bottom ash fraction. Where, next, total ash content is equals to fuel consumed is multiplied by the ash content in fuel. Next, bottom ash fraction is the fraction of total ash that becomes bottom ash. It is typically 15% to 30%, depending on the combustion system. Next, we will learn the sample example for a better understanding. If you burn 20,000 kilograms of coal in a boiler and the coal has an ash content of 20%, by weight, bottom ash fraction 20%. We can determine the amount of bottom ash generated using the above formula. The given data. The fuel consumed, 20,000 ton. The ash content, 20%. The bottom ash fraction, 20%. Next, apply the given data. The bottom ash generation is equals to 20,000 into 20 into 20 and obtained value divided by 100 into 100. Therefore, the bottom ash generation is 800 tons. I hope everyone learns and understands how to calculate the total ash generation, and how to calculate the fly ash generation, and then how to calculate the bottom ash generation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more information videos. Like and leave a comment.